Recently, online shopping has gained huge popularity, and millions of transactions daily have made it so much harder to find profit patterns. Here, our mission begins to provide you with actionable insights into your profit patterns. Now, let's meet our team. On technical side, we have Vasu Mohana, our data analyst, and Marley Collins, our data visualist. On delivery side, we have Paige Lincoln, our design specialist, and Manwin, our video content editor. We have Operation Supporter, Anita Peng. Moving on to our agenda, we will walk you through our data exploration process, in which we clean our data and conduct multiple trials before coming up with the best regression model. And then we will dive into the Tableau dashboards, where your current performance is broken down by geographic and time-based dimensions. First of all, our data covers 3 product categories, spanning.
So now we will be presenting our Tableau. We created 2 dashboards that both have many visuals that are interactive and give us a lot of insights about our data. First, I'm going to talk about our top 5 states by profit visual. The highest state is California by profit, and that has the darkest green color, and it gets lighter as it goes down, as you can see here. And then we also have the total profit by state visual up here, and if you hover over the state map, you can see that states that are red have a lower profit, even getting into the negatives. And then we also have a city map here with the bigger green dots showing a higher profit, and then the red dots having a lower profit as well. Just to give a quick example with the filters that we've added to this, I'm going to use technology in the product categories, and then for region, I'm going to do the West region. So as we can see, the Tableau automatically adjusts to those filters that we've applied. Looking at the profit by city across the United States map, the larger green dots represent more profitable cities. For example, we have Los Angeles. And those are typically corresponded to urban areas, which definitely makes sense in this case. They're also usually big metropolitan centers, and that means higher sales volume and better profit margins. So when we look at it at the state level view, we can clearly see that the profitability varies a lot between states in the West region, with some states like California showing strong performance, like Colorado showing actually negative performance, which shows that that region isn't really a factor when determining profitability. And then we have an interaction guide over here if you want to explore that more. And then we also have here, which shows some key insights of our visuals. For our second dashboard, this focuses more on specific products and subcategories, as well as more profit by month, so time. At the top left, we have a subcategory bar chart showing the total sales by product. In the top right, we have a scatter plot, which shows the relationship between sales volume and profit margin. And at the bottom, we have our profit trend over a full year. The cool thing about this visualization is you can click on any product over here, for example, chairs, and all the visuals will automatically adjust to see the specific margin patterns as well as seasonal performance. And we can also click on other products to see those as well. Looking at all the products together, there are several insights. First, a trend line shows that there's clear differences between the seasons, with peaks in September and December, which shows that there are major shopping periods, and those dip in months like April and July, which really show that there's strong Q4 performance, and that is something Amazon should capitalize on. And then the scatter plot also reveals really good insights, with products with the highest sales volume don't always have the best profit margins. In fact, many high volume items show lower profit margins, suggesting that there might be really high discounting with those products. Finally, The subcategory chart shows us that phones, chairs, and storage right here are volume leaders, but we have to remember that we need to check their margins individually using the click-through feature to ensure that the volume translates to profitability. And then if we click right over here, we can see some of the key takeaways. If you want to explore them more, you can press takeaways, and that will take you to there.